This Century 21 Premier Realtors property video is presented by Soyeongu. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is currently in the final stages of a full renovation, offering buyers the opportunity to secure a move-in ready home that will be completed in early January. The property has already received major structural and cosmetic improvements, including a new roof, new electrical, new AC ductwork, new hot water heater, and fresh interior and exterior paint. Inside, the home has been taken down to the studs and rebuilt with new sheetrock, new flooring, updated bathrooms, and custom cabinetry throughout. The kitchen will feature new stainless steel appliances and granite countertops once the renovation is complete. The living and dining areas offer a spacious, open layout with an electric fireplace and great natural light. The home is available to show now, and the renovation will be fully completed in January, allowing for a smooth move-in timeline. Located close to shopping, schools, medical facilities, and major roadways, this home combines convenience with the appeal of a modernized interior. All information provided is deemed reliable, but not guaranteed. Buyer to verify all details. For more information,